Just a quick little video showing how to export some data from Eaglesoft into Excel. So I have a fresh, brand new worksheet here in Excel. I want to go to the data ribbon here. Other versions of Excel this will work in as well. It may look a little different, but the connection still should be the same. So I'm going to go from other sources, and I'm going to go from Microsoft Query. Here I'm going to select the dental data source. You should have a dental data source, which is the ODBC driver, to connect to Sybase, which is the underlying database for Eaglesoft. So go ahead and click there. It's going to prompt you for a password, which you'll need to obtain the password for your own installation. Each installation does have a different password. Once you enter that, you will come here with the ability to choose columns and do different queries using this wizard. I typically don't use the wizard. I'm more comfortable just in the native SQL language. So let's say I wanted to get all the patient IDs where their birth date is on Christmas. In 2007. I know that's my son's birthday, so select patient ID from patient where birth date equals 2007 12/16. This kind of gives you a preview of what the results would be, and I see that there's 3 patient IDs that happen to have that same birthday. So there are three patients which were born on my son's birthday. Then you can click this little door button to return the data. It asks you where you want to put the data in Excel. I'm going to go ahead and throw it up on the first sheet, first cell there. Go ahead and put it there. So there is the patient ID. Now you can also go in here and if you highlight the actual data, you can go to the properties, adjust some values here. What happens when new data appears? Does it insert the data? Does it overwrite the data? Things like that. And then you can also click on the little connection properties here, and there's some other options here that say enable background refresh. You can have it automatically refresh. It'll automatically rerun the query every set amount of times. And then this is really nice. Refresh data when opening the file. So if you have this checked, every time you open up that spreadsheet, that data would be refreshed and updated. So what you would, in essence, have is a live spreadsheet of data that would be, real time from Eaglesoft. And then if you do refresh the data when opening the file, there's also an option to remove the data when you go ahead and close the file. So that is pretty. Pretty neat. So I've used this. I think I need to re-enter that password. So I've used this a lot. I've used this a lot over the years to go ahead and answer questions that we've had from a business standpoint. We wanted to know, let's say there's a lot of power that you can use in Excel. So, we were contemplating a insurance change, and so I was able to get the counts of the procedures and and replay an entire year worth of services at that new fee. So it really helps us kind of decide, and really gives you a lot more insight into your data when you're able to drill down and make use of it in something like Excel. So, but all right, hope that was helpful.